your partner do something to you that you are no longer sleep with other people. When you want to sleep with other people, you are no longer have any feelings, or you don't want to sleep with those people. Because guys, maybe it's about witchcraft or what. Because other people, guys, they can go to those people who can do those things. So even, especially even in men, you want to sleep with other women, but your dick is only sleep, even do anything or to wake up because your wife do something for you. But when you want to sleep with your wife, you can have got more feelings, your dick can be up. But when you want to sleep with other women, nothing can happen. Even women, because maybe your man knows that you are going to work even outside the country. He knows that he can lock you, that you are not going to sleep with other men. You don't have feelings for other men. Guys, people, they can do it in their relationship. That's why you saw that maybe they have got jealous in relationship. But when your partner finds out that you do those things, guys, your marriage can be destroyed most of the time. Because guys, maybe your wife locked you up, that your dick is not going to do something to other women. It's always sleeping, nothing happen. So sometimes, guys, it's happening in this life, guys, because other people, they are jealous with their partner. Because guys, maybe it's not about looking or what. Other people, they don't lock you or do something, but when God connects you, you are being connected. God says you are a woman and wife. It can happen sometimes, because you can't have feelings to other people. Maybe you want to be in relationship, or you can have feelings to that person at that time. But when it comes, you want to sleep with that person, nothing can happen. You don't have any feelings anymore. But when you want to sleep with your wife, anything, you have got feelings to your wife only. But to other people, when it comes, you want to sleep with them, nothing. You are very cold and nothing. So it can happen, because guys, this thing about relationships is very spiritual, especially guys, when you have got vows with your partner. God, you can swear to God, because God knows that this is not your partner. Even other people, they can have witchcraft to their partners, because they are jealous. They don't want their men to share their men with other people. So the other women, or especially even men, they can do it. They have got jealous, even you to sleep with other women. Other countries, guys, they can do it, that they know that those women, you can't sleep with those women, because they've been locked with their men.